Yes guys, it's Henny here again and welcome to another video. This is my week 2 update of my Smart Direct Club clear aligners that I have on. So it's been an eventful first week, and the second week of course was absolutely amazing compared to like week 1. These are 3 things that you notice quite a lot when putting on your aligners. It's like, of course, the first that I put on week 2, yeah, my teeth were so used to week 1, like all the soreness was gone, and I put the week 2 on and my teeth moved so, it felt like someone was literally using the plier, yeah, to like kind of grab my teeth and just move it to the center. So this is the thing you need to focus on. All you need to know is, it's like, you know, you're going to the gym for the first time, yeah? You say you haven't gone to the gym for like a year or 6 months or however long, and you go to the gym for the first time. Going to the gym, your first couple of days or week is going to hurt. You're going to be so sore. But once that is out of the window, even subsequent times, like, you know, 3 weeks or 4 weeks later, you go to the gym and you even increase your weight. You feel pain, but you're not going to be as sore as you were in the first week of going to the gym. You're going to feel a little bit of a pain, but it's nothing compared to like the week 1. I think over time, yeah, it just gets better because now your muscle memory kind of remember, oh, okay, there's pain coming and all that. So you kind of handle it better. You know, the pain is nowhere near what you felt on like week 1. Moving on to the second thing that I noticed is my bite started changing. So this was on the left side. So like right back here, what happened was, so you see your teeth here, your teeth have, one goes from the bottom here and the other one doesn't sit on top of it. The other one comes like this, kind of like slightly, and another one comes like this. So there's like a little space where it's kind of overlapping each other, not right on top of each other. Because if it's on top of each other, yeah, your teeth start chipping away. So I started feeling whenever I took it off, of course when you have it on, it's just rubber, you wouldn't feel anything or anything as such. So what happened was, whenever I took it off, maybe I want to eat or something, brush my mouth, I noticed that, I looked it up, I checked, and I saw that, well, think about it this way, it's a whole muscle you're moving in your mouth. So of course Smart Direct, the main thing they want to sort out is the front teeth, but you can't sort the front teeth out without moving the back one. So my plan is that all these teeth have to push back and close together. So you can't just move one part of the muscle and not move the other part. You know what I mean? The main target is in the front, but you're going to need to move the back maybe a little bit slightly just to make sure the front is all together. So that's something that might happen to you, and I feel like over time it's just gonna happen in like the final result, maybe like the final 2 or 3 months, or the last 2 months, or the last few weeks. It's just going to be like start overlapping on top of each other, not directly on top of each other. So there's no cause for alarm, but if you still feel like, oh, your bite is messing up, maybe after like 2-3 weeks, you should definitely call Smart Direct and see if they can sort that out. If not, go see a dentist and make sure everything is all sorted. The last thing that, you know, got me a lot when it comes to this was I had issues again with my aligners where I have to file it, but this time around I had there's a nail filer that comes with you know, the whole package, but that one ran out because I didn't use it properly. There was water and all that thing in it, so I didn't dry my aligners before I use it, so it kind of peeled out. So now you want to go to like Walmart to get you, the grit has to be high because it's like sandpaper. The higher the grit, the more smoother it is, but I couldn't really have anything to match mine. So the best thing that you can do is use a scissors to kind of go back and forth, because, you know, you're not cutting it through, you have to go lightly. Well, let me know in the comments down below if you lot want to see how to file your aligners using the scissors. That's about it, and so far week 2 has been really good. I mean, I can see my teeth moving, so you can see the difference between week 0 and week 2, and it's just, honestly, it's like you can see the progress happen. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and yeah, leave the video a like and leave your comments below, any questions you have, and I'll be sure to reply to them. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.